Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fan. Today we're going to talk about the Firebase Studio. So Google published the Firebase Studio last week. So according to Google, you can use Firebase Studio to build backends, frontend, and mobile apps all in one place. Let's have a quick look at it. So currently Firebase Studio is in preview mode, and it provides two capabilities. So you can start coding an app. So Google provides a lot of templates. So in this case, for example, front end, you can have templates for React, Next.js, Angular, backend as well, Node.js, Java, and even database. This is actually pretty cool. So let's give it a try of the prototype an app with AI. So let's use this one, the prototype expense tracking app. Let's get started. So it initially start the studio with a blueprint first. This is pretty cool. So to create a blueprint of the app and the list of the features as some of the guidelines and this app, the AI will be using. So of course you can change it if you want, but if you don't, you're satisfied, happy with the blueprint, you can just go ahead and prototype this app. And then the AI started to prototyping this app. So you can see you create a bunch of files, such as the categories, page layout, global CSS, and yeah, let's give it a couple minutes to generate the code. And since this is a studio, so you don't have to download any IDE, for this prototype. So you can actually code, prompt, and preview your prototype all in one place. So let's see how what will it create in this case. Okay. Yeah, one of the things I find is it has a publish button right here. Oh, okay. Looks like some internal error occurred while processing your request. Let's try it again. Yeah, looks like a lot of traffic. Maybe. Let's see if we can get a working prototype this time. Okay. It's just generating. Okay. And once it's done, it should open a embedded web browser. Then you can preview it. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. So it looks like yeah, the app has been created and it's responsive. That's actually pretty cool. New categories, yeah, new goals. Wow, interesting. Monthly income, total expense. That's cool. Let's add a header bar with a profile image. Okay, it started to add a profile image and the header bar. Let's see. Here again. Okay, cool. That's actually pretty cool. Now we have a profile image. Added a profile and the settings. When drop down, when click the profile image. Yeah, from what I can see, it's actually writing the code very fast. I think the response of the AI models, it's pretty quick. Except sometimes you will get the internal server errors. I guess Google probably gets a lot of traffic. Let's see if it works this time. Oh, okay, looks like it's done. That's not bad. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. Implement profile editing feature when click edit profile. Okay, let's see. No. I will try it again. Implement the profile editing feature when click editing profile. Let's close it. No, actually, I cannot close it. It's actually asked me to stay on. Oh, okay, it's done. And if we click it, oh, okay. So we got, oh, okay. We got errors. Dialog trigger must be used within the dialog. And looks like Google detect this error and prompt to fix it. And then let's fix it. Okay, looks like they has fixed it. And so click edit profile should should allow users to edit their profile. Looks like there's a bug. Let's see if AI could find this bug and fix the functionality. Internal server error again. Let's see this time. Okay. Okay. Same error. I guess the AI is not that smart in this case to fix this error. Let's see if we could fix the or not in the second attempt. No. Oh, actually, there's some issues. Let me refresh, reload the page. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Looks like it has some issues with some of the functionalities, but I'm pretty sure, because this is still in preview stage, Google probably making changes and making it better every day. So yeah, but as we can see, right? So the competition is just getting higher and higher, and hopefully we can see more and more functionalities coming out for Firebase Studio. All right, that's it for today's demo. And yeah, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.